easy_install will not connect through Proxy. I'm running Ubuntu Server 10.0 for 64-bit under VirtualBox, and it seems that everything except easy_install and pip can connect to the internet. I have set and exported the http_proxy environment variable, and also set up the proxy address in every other location I'm aware of. Yet easy_install always returns, network is unreachable. I can even connect to the site from within Python. I have had the same result with packages other than virtualenv. Is easy_install looking somewhere else for connection information, or is there something obvious I'm missing?
It's a problem with sudo. If you use sudo, the variable $http_proxy is unknown in this context. Sudo opens up a root shell. There you can set the $http_proxy variable again, and then easy_install works. You don't have to use sudo because you are already super user. Or you can have your actual environment in sudo context and say the get root step via.
Rather than opening up a root shell with sudo, you can run the command. The E switch preserves your current environment.
I had to add.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.